Good morning, everyone. This is Anthony, Wall Street Trader. It's 9:32 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on Thursday, October 21st, 2021. This isn't financial advice. It's educational. Click the subscribe and the bell to be notified when these videos come out. Click the thumbs up and share the video. We're talking about Quant Network. Intraday updates are on that Twitter link below. In the market, we go. Quant US dollar is, we're still hitting definitely resistance area here now. So we are kind of range bound between 305 and 265. We're probably going to go a little bit on the sideways chop until we can identify the next pattern. So a lot of rectangular action overall if you take a view from September 19th all the way to now. So we've been kind of consolidating over this period of time. And there's nothing wrong with consolidation. In fact, consolidation is actually very good. So what we really want to see is, through that consolidation, we want to see that, we want to see where it ends up. Ideally, we want to get past this shorter term or the shorter term line of resistance and then ultimately bounce over that 327 to 344 range and then, plow on up. But in the meantime, we're about 10% away from the bottom. And, not to say that we are going to retrace that 10%, but just know that there is a floor of support. Pretty good one at that, at 265. I'm hoping we can kind of get down there so we can get some more of this thing. But we'll see how that pans out. Right now, triangular pattern overall is what is starting to become very, very visible on this chart pattern. In the meantime, over to Quant Bitcoin, we definitely kind of went from, we dippy-do below the 457 line. We said we'd be a little bearish there, but not too bearish because we still have a reasonable amount of support based on the resistance line back here, and we are trying to stay above it. So definitely showing us over the last couple of days that we are trying to stay above that 434, 435 range, which is good. So we're over at 444 currently. In the meantime, over to Bitcoin, we're at 65,000. We're definitely over that green line that takes us to 80,000 between now and December 31st. This line ends on December 31st at 80,000. I expect us to be on or above that anytime between now and December 31st. So more to come on this one. In the meantime, over to Bitcoin dominance. We're definitely continuing up this channel, and we'll continue all the way up to here. And we might start to see a little bit of resistance right around here, around 48. We haven't hit that high yet in recent action, so be interesting to see how that actually looks. It could be that we wind up going down here, but I think we'll probably wind up winding up the chain here up until 60, sometime between now and the end of the year as well. In the meantime, shorter term action, we saw a major drop and then a major rebound on the Bitcoin dominance pair. A little bit of craziness. There was a quick spill in Bitcoin, very short-lived, and somehow, this kind of like got all out of whack. But right now, we're definitely range-bound. We were as high as 47, almost 48, and down here is like 45. So that's a significant move for a 24-hour period. Generally speaking, I think will continue to go up. But, Quant right now, 292. I think right around here in the 279, we have a relatively decent area of support, just looking to my left of the screen all the way across. So we could be hitting a floor at 278, but worst case scenario, the floor hits 265, in my view, over the next day. Anyway, I'm out. Take care.